Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And a quick question that was asked today on the comments is about the diagnostics and feedback that Windows 11 and Windows 10 are sending to Microsoft. So the person that was actually talking about that had the impression, because everybody told him that, well, it's they're sending all your files that are on your hard drive to Microsoft and so on, which is totally false. There's a huge um, perception of the data, the diagnostics data that is being sent out, that is completely false, and unfortunately, it is people just making sure that they spread that fake news as much as possible. The diagnostics data is really, if set to the minimum, if you're just the required, is really just a set of information about the operations of Windows itself. It doesn't collect any of your data on your hard drive. And what it does is anonymize the information, meaning that Microsoft itself doesn't know that a set of data, for example, that has all the information about the workings of the internal workings of Windows and error messages and things like that, apps that have been open, stuff like that. Those are sent in a way that you are not tracked, meaning the info, the blob of information they get, can't be traced back to a specific user. It is all sent using just an ID that has no information with it. So they don't know who or what PC sent a specific amount of data, if they would look at it or they would search for it. So these are really there to try to enhance Windows in another way. The diagnostics is there to basically send information, and if they see error messages, things like that, they could analyze it and see the type of usage, and then say, okay, well, I think the error message or the problem lies in this or that, part of Windows, and that fixes a problem, not for your specific PC, for everybody that has the same kind of environment. Anyways, the information there, some people don't like the fact that it's being sent out. I am not one of those. I do agree, though, that a on-off switch would have been a good idea, because some people want to turn it off, and that's fine. But Microsoft will not put that for sure. And the question that came also is there a way to delete diagnostics data? And yes, there is. In Windows 11, if you go to your privacy and security, and then you go to diagnostics and feedback, at the bottom you have delete one. You can delete the diagnostics data. So it's like, once you delete the data here, start removing copies on our system, and you have a Microsoft account, you might have additional diagnostics data you can delete on the privacy dashboard. So what's the privacy dashboard? Is that if you have a Microsoft account, you can go online and you will see even more of all the data that has been received. You have ways to remove it. You can even download the full amount of data and look at what the data is all about. There is here, view your diagnostics data. There's a switch here. You can switch this on, and then you can open the diagnostics data viewer, which will let you see what is being sent out. So yes, you can delete it here, and that removes copies off of Microsoft servers. Can delete it every day if you want. That's a switch that didn't exist at the beginning. They gave that delete button a little later, after Windows 11 was released. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.